Okay, here we go. We're going to have a go at fixing my broken phone. We'll just take the casing off first. You need a heat gun. So I've got here one of those. I'll show you the damage if you can see it. Too much glare. There we go. It's all cracked, all here. So you need to switch the phone off and take the SIM out. Okay, so I don't need to show you doing that. Next you'll need to get your repair kit out, which I bought off Amazon. Instructions. This is not on how to fix your own phone, just to let you know that, because I don't want anybody coming back saying, yeah, you told me to do it. I didn't tell anybody to do it. This is my phone and I'm having to go myself. Okay, you get the little pack, open it up. And you get a little metal splicer. That's the first thing I think you use when you heat the glass up on here. You have to put this splicer in. You get some plectrums. I don't know what that one's for, I don't know. Anyway, who knows? You get a sticky thing which you stick on the glass to help you lift it. So that'll probably go on here, give it a bit of moisture. There we go. Maybe a bit too much moisture. Okay. Pop your SIM out. Where's my SIM? Eject the SIM. Just take the whole thing out. And my EE card as well. Ooh, I am, to be honest with you, a slightly bit nervous because, you know, the expensive phones, when they first came out, they were. If you can see that. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go to. Right. Get this tool ready. And I believe when you use this tool at the end to lie across here before you fit the whole glass back on again to push down the connection for the camera. So I believe. Right, so I'll take that off first. And we'll start heating up. You don't want it full heat, but you want it so it's like quite hot to touch, I believe. Okay, I'll just carry on with this and then get back to you in a bit. Okay, once you get it hot, just slide the parting tool in. And then make your way around with the plectrum. This is hot. Another one on the other side. Very thin. Different types of plectrum, I don't know what they're for. Right, so a bit more heat. What sort of heat you put in this, I must admit. Almost to the point of, oh wow, non-touching, look. Let's use this one as well. Like I said, this is my first. I've never done one before in my life, so bear with me. I think you put the plectrums in to hold the glass away and stop it from re-sticking. Just switch my phone back on. Don't want to do that. Definitely don't want to do that. Be careful of the broken glass, okay? Just making my way around, putting plectrum in. Whoa, I'm shaking a bit here. Not my cup of tea. Watch the camera. Whew, right, just a little bit more heat. Melting that one, too much heat. Right, keep going round. A lot of glue. Here we go, folks. And there's a little, gotta be so careful, because on the camera, there's a little, see him? There's a little clip just there. Oh, this is spooky stuff. This is in a realm I've never done before. So I take it, then you use, just put this through here, just to keep the case off. Right, let me just pause for a sec. And there we go. It's not finished yet. I've got to get all that camera off and fit it to the new glass. Oh, blimey. So we'll get all this plastic stuff off now. We've just got to clean all this off, peel this back. And then make sure we've got no damage. Not any damage, a little bit of... Right, okay, so I'll clean this up. Like we do, just use my nail and just go round. Alright, so it tells you all in the instructions what to do, so I'm just following the instructions like everybody else. So where are we? So we've unclipped that. And now we've got to ease that part. Oh, it's only that part there. Oh, it's only that part. We've got to unglue that, I presume. Well, we'll look at the other glass, shall we? So here's the new glass. Now it looks like the whole lot's got to come off, look. Oh, no, you haven't, no. No, it's just that there. Okie doke. Okay. Take our time with that. Okay, so when you've done all that and you've got this off and you've got your glass off, which is broken, you've got to remove your camera and the sensors and everything, and you get the new glass out to look how it goes together and find out they've sent you the wrong one. This is the S9 Plus. I don't know what they've sent me. It could be the S9 or something else, because the glass is actually totally different. So we'll catch up again in this video in a bit. I'll have to order a new glass. Okie dokie. So I've got to order a new glass because they sent the wrong one. I'm not too worried about that. It'll come next day. So the next job in hand is you've got to get this whole unit off. This is the S9 Plus, okay? You in focus with that. Yeah. So you want to do get your heat gun out again and heat this area up. using this parting tool. Got to get underneath there, and there we go. Oh, and there's the glass. So I've got to get the glass off as well. Oh God, that's hot. Okay, next job. Can you see that? So what I've got to do is warm this up here, because this piece of glass is just there. This is your fingerprint sensor. So I've got to warm that up, and then gently, using these, pick all this glass out. That looks like the only way you can do it. Alright, so I get all this glue off, and then when I order it, I'll order a new back glass and I'll order a new camera glass. So I've got to heat this up. I might get a pair of gloves because it gets a bit hot. Just going to show you a bit. I won't show you it all because I don't want to bore you. Okay. Let's see if I can get this off, because it's hot to touch. I didn't think it would be so complicated. Honestly, I didn't think it would. But what do you do on a Sunday morning? Oop. Right. A little more heat on that. Watch where you blow the glass, we don't want it going everywhere. Bring that piece back. We don't want the cat's treading on it, do we? And I believe the new glass comes with the glue. Oh, look at that. So I'm just going to go around now, clean all this up. Pretty easy, pretty easy. There we go, that's what I'm going to do. So, right, we'll continue this as soon as the new glass comes. Okay. Okay, ready for the new glass. These are a godsend. So you need to buy the kit really. Okay, so that's all I'm waiting for now is the back glass and the camera glass. And we will reassemble. Also going to remove the glue around the old camera. This is the camera casing, the glass goes in here, and this is, I keep making a mistake saying this is your camera connection. This is not. This is your fingerprint sensor. Okay, I just start peeling it and it just comes, it's quite easy, it just comes off, look. There we go. So just gently just peel it all back. Pretty straightforward. It said it comes with glue and it comes with everything, so hopefully it does. Otherwise we're stuffed. No, we're alright, there we go. Okay, and also if anybody's interested and they're doing it themselves, have fun, because I'm quite enjoying this, to be honest with you. All I'm doing is getting the ball of glue off and just rolling it along the edge, as you can see. not damaging the phone at all. Just getting all the glue off, ready for the new case. Okay, no rush, no rush. Like I said, it's Sunday morning and I'm always an early bird anyway. So here we go. This is pretty in-depth repair. I'm not saying this is how to do it. This is how I'm doing mine. I've got to cover myself here because some will turn out, you've done it all wrong. Well, as long as it works, I don't care, because I love this phone. It's quite good. It's a very good camera. It's what I used to do all my videos on. Okay, so I'll carry on with this and we'll see in a bit. Okay, all cleaned up, ready for reassemble, and just to prove it's still working beautifully. There we go. Ah, love it. Right, okay, so I'm waiting for the camera and the glass. Okay. New glass. So you've got to peel all these bits off. It comes complete with the glass. So I fitted the camera, which is quite easy to do. It just pops back into here and you can put the connector straight on. So put it back into the back of the camera like that. Put it back into the phone. So just, ooh, I reckon that's supposed to stay on there. That's not supposed to come off. So that's better. All the black is supposed to stay on. Okay, so that's going to come off. And then all this has got to come off. Hey, Sue, that's not good. Come on. That's better. And then all this has got to come off. Make sure it's down properly. I'm just making sure it's fitting. And what's more nerve-wracking, putting this on or taking it apart? Okay. Ah! It's got a protection screen on it. Let's go see, that's come off a little bit, see that? Oh, you've got to be so accurate. I'm going to pull this sheet off. And there we go. I'm going to put it back in its protective case, which I've got here. And it looks like the cameras are all, let's just test the camera. And there we go. Superb. Okay, that's it. Done. That wasn't too bad. You just got to be accurate putting it on. Whew. And then just make sure the sides are down. It was a bit of a clicky then. I heard a dunk dunk, but it was the glue at the top. See? We'll keep pushing it down because there is glue around that, but it's over the camera properly. I'd have liked to stick the, I think you could stick the lens down separate, but put pressure on. That seems to have got it. Alright, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. Pretty straightforward actually. Well, within reason. Take care and we'll catch you in the next vid.